When the stock market crashed, most people hit the brakes, but one 18-year-old, he hit the gas. In a storm of fear, where billionaires were losing billions, this teen made a calculated move, and walked away with profits. Why did he succeed when others failed? Simple, he prepared when others partied, he studied while others scrolled. But before you assume this is another teen genius fairy tale, let's rewind the tape. Because what he did, you could have done it too, and still can, next time. By the way, have you ever panic bought 200 rolls of toilet paper? No judgment, we all had our moments. It was March. The market nosedived. Headlines screamed, biggest drop since 2008. Investors pulled out $200 billion in fear. Even the seasoned pros were stunned. And our teen, let's call him Jaden. Jaden was in his senior year. Not on TikTok, not at prom. He was watching charts, reading Buffett, studying past crashes, and he noticed something. When everyone was panicking, Jaden felt it too. His savings, $3,000 from part-time jobs and tutoring, were at risk. His parents begged him, don't do anything stupid. But Jaden didn't see a crash. He saw a clearance sale. Every great company was trading at a discount. When the world screamed, sell, Jaden whispered, hold, and then, buy. He bought fractional shares of Apple, Amazon, and Tesla. He didn't YOLO into meme stocks. No crypto coins with dog logos. He chose value. He chose patience. Remember the last time you ignored advice from your parents and actually turned out right? Yeah, neither do they. While adults were frozen by fear, Jaden treated the market like a long-term game. He bought on red days. He tuned out the noise. And most importantly, he held the line. Fast forward 12 months. The market roared back. Tesla tripled. Apple doubled. Amazon surged. Jaden's $3,000, now over $11,400. He didn't just survive the crash. He grew through it. While others waited for signs of safety, Jaden had already planted his seeds. And the best part, this wasn't luck. It was learnable, repeatable, timeless. Today, Jaden's older, but history, it's repeating itself. Another dip is coming. Maybe this month, maybe this year. The only question is, will you panic, or will you prepare? Because what if I told you? Jaden didn't stop there. He had $50 worth of forgotten Bitcoin on an old USB, and when he finally plugged it in, what he found was shocking. Fear is the most expensive emotion on Wall Street. And those who master it, build wealth while others watch it disappear. You don't need a finance degree. You need a strategy. You need courage when it counts. Because the next crash, it's not if, it's when, and how you act during that moment, could define your entire financial future. And speaking of Jaden, you won't believe what happened when he found that old USB, a forgotten Bitcoin wallet, worth millions. Right pointing arrow, tap the end screen now to watch. Forgotten Bitcoin turns into millions because sometimes the best investments are the ones you forgot you made.